How to mount remote SSHFS via intermediate machine? Tunneling? I would like to mount a remote file system, A, using SSHFS, but sometimes I have IP address, access from which is not allowed. So my plan is to access it via another machine, B, in that network. Do I need to mount A on B and then to mount B and A on my local computer? Is there a better way to do it? Update. Just to clarify the procedure. First, I make a tunnel. And then I mount the remote file system. Is it correct? How do I destroy the tunnel when I am done?
Yeah, tunneling. You connect machine B, create local tunnel, L, to SSHD port of machine and then SSHFS to local host to the port of newly created tunnel.
You can use option SSH_command of SSHFS to do the trick. Unmount with the usual. Sorry, this is 7 years late.
This is what works for Neon High Sierra 10.13.6, SHFS version 2.5, OSXFuse SSHFS 2.5.0, OSXFuse 3.10.4, Fuse Library version 2.9.7. Based on Rodrigo Farias's answer above plus Clemist and Ohad Rubin comments for noting the J option. Your connection scheme, your machine and GT, host B and GT, host A. Our solution will use proxy jump, introduced in Open 7.3, so you'll need to check that your version is newer with. Then you need to configure properly your /.ssh/config. For example, if machine is available with a password login from Mochinea. Finally, create your mount point and add line to /etc/stab.
If you want to support the channel, please consider